Assalamu alaikum students. We are working on unit 6 algebraic fraction and formula. We have done the first two questions of exercise 6b. The topic of exercise 6b is addition and subtraction of the algebraic fraction. Today we will start from question number 3. 3h I have written on this board. Now let's start. Students, we have extract common factor 2 from this denominator, 2y minus z minus 2y, and we will extract common 3 from this denominator, that will be equal to z minus 2y. As you people can see, there is z minus 2y, there is z minus 2y, but there is 2y minus z. The difference is between the sign. So we will take common negative sign or minus from this denominator. Okay student, we take common minus from this denominator. By taking negative from this denominator, the positive value will be negative and the negative value will be positive. So there is a common value we can put from the denominator is z minus 2y, z minus 2y, z minus 2y. When we are going to take the LCM, it would be easy for us to take the common factor z minus 2y, z minus 2y and z minus 2y. Basically students, we are required to make the like fraction, and for making the like fraction we have to find out the LCM. So student, now we will find out the LCM. As you know students, LCM is equal to common factor multiplied by uncommon factor. It means the product of common factor and uncommon factor would be equal to LCM. Here the common factor is z minus 2y. Z minus 2y will be the common factor, and 2 and 3 would be the uncommon factor. So 3 to the 6, 6 into z minus 2y. This is our LCM. Now student, we will make the denominator 6 into z minus 2y. Here is 2, and I have multiplied this by 3, and the numerator will be multiplied by 3. This is z minus 2y. I have to make this 6 into z minus 2y, so I have multiplied this denominator by 6 and the numerator by 6. Here 3 into z minus 2y, I am required to make it 6 into z minus 2y, so I will multiply this 2 so I will multiply this 3 with 2 and 5 into 2 as well. Now I have simplified this. 3 to the 9x, 6 to the 12x and 5 to the 10, and the denominator is same. Now combine these fraction into a single fraction. Okay student, I have written these fraction into a single fraction. 6 into z minus 2y minus 9x minus 12x and plus 10. Minus 9x minus 12x are the like term, so it will be solved. Minus 9x minus 12x will be equal to minus 21x plus 10. Over the denominator is 6 into z minus 2y. Now you can write it in a properly form, 10 minus 21x over 6 into z minus 2y. Okay, so now I am going to solve the one part of question number 4. Question number 4D I will solve, and you people can see that there is no any common factor in the denominator. So for making it like fraction, we will find out the LCM, and as you know, the LCM is the product of common and uncommon factor, and here you can see there is no any common factor, so here the LCM will be equal to the product of the uncommon factor. Okay student, here LCM will be m into m minus 4 into m minus 3. Okay student, now I have made all the denominator equal to the LCM. As you know, our LCM is m into m minus 4, m minus 3. In the first fraction I have m, so by making them equal to the LCM, I will multiply m into m minus 3, m minus 4, and the denominator m minus 3 into m minus 4. Thus in the second fraction I have the denominator m minus 4 So I will multiply this m minus 4 into m minus 3, and the numerator is 2, so 2 will be multiplied by m into m minus 3. And the last fraction, the denominator I have m minus 3, so it would be multiplied by m into m minus 4, and the numerator is 3, so 3 will be multiplied into m minus 4. Okay student, now we will solve it. M into m square, minus 3m into m, minus 3m. Next, minus 4 into m, minus 4m, and minus plus 4 3s are 12. Now 2m square, 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6m, minus 6m. And the last one, 3m square, 3 4s are 12, minus 12m. Now I have combined these fraction into one fraction. M into m minus 3m minus 4, m square, minus plus 7m plus 12 plus 2m square minus 6m, 2m square minus 6m plus 3m square minus 12m. Here, okay student, we have the like terms here. M square plus 2m square plus 3m square. All have the positive sign. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6m square. Minus 7m, minus 6m, and minus 12m are the like terms. Minus 7m minus 6m will be equal to minus 13m, and minus 12m and minus 13m will be equal to minus 25m. And the last one is 12, positive 12 will be here. This is our final answer. 6m square minus 25m plus 12 over m into m minus 3, m minus 4. Student, we have solved this question. Now you can solve the other part of question number 4. Thank you students.